Good morning, Jimmy. Your ears pop up. You can hear me. You can understand me, can't you? Good morning, Jimmy. How are you? Doing well today? Are you cold? Hi, Jimmy. Sleepy? Happy? You're pointing your ear toward me, right? Are you still sleepy? Not fully awake? Are you happy to see me? Or you're just trying to understand me? You only need one ear to hear me? Right, Jamie? Oh, I'll let you go back to sleep. Bye. Bye-bye, Jamie.
Let's set rate hikes aside for a minute. What worries you most about the world's economy right now? What is it
All
that
right.
keeps you
I
up at
love
night?
you, Jamie.
Well, the direct answer is that my 2-year-old keeps me up at night, but
I love you. You're a
there
good boy.
is
A very good
that
boy.
you can see through elevated
I
inflation.
love you,
That's the
Jamie.
banks get it wrong, and I think the risk there
All right.
is not just
I'll
that
leave
the Fed
you
starts
alone.
tightening aggressively,
Bye.
but if they continue to get it wrong,
You
the risk
understand
is
bye.
jobs
You
will
understand
get
I love
lost
you.
on the upside,
And bye.
then they're going to have to adjust quite aggressively. So
All
it's
right.
very painful for the economy. And I think even more alarming than that would be the political
I'll let you
implications.
go
Now,
back
on
to
one hand,
sleep. Should I?
institutions